Right, so this is just going to be a quick video. Mini F56. This is the convertible one, as you've probably seen in one of the other videos. It's manual, and I'm just going to be changing the gear knob itself. Sort of well, that's the new one there. Purely because it's sharp here on this chrome bit at the back. And it is getting quite annoying, so bought a replacement, brand new one. I mean, the car's only got 20,000 miles and you can see the difference there. So this is a genuine Mini one as well, bought through Lloyd Mini Carlisle. It was definitely Carlisle Mini, it may not be a Lloyd one, for just under £40 delivered. And it is the genuine Mini part, and if you need the part number, that is it there. Obviously if you have a JCW, this will be red, but yeah, that is just the genuine Mini knob. Not something I've done, so it's going to be a bit of a learning curve for me as well. I believe that the ring here for drive modes pops off, lifts up. There is a plug just at the front here. Just disconnect that, the whole lot should then lift off. Then it's just a case of popping the new one in, reverse back on, and don't expect it to take more than a few minutes. So, but it doesn't look like I'm going to find anywhere for the phone, so I'll just pop it on my leg. So that's quite easily. Literally with your fingers, you can just get under, lift, and it all lifts up. There's the plug. Not the easiest thing to do with one hand, so I'm just going to pop this down. So there we go, and that lifts up. Apparently this is quite tight, and if you're not careful you can smack yourself in the head. I am just going to have a quick look. So that's what it looks like inside, so it does look like it's just a bit of a tight squeeze, and it should just pull off. Some of the YouTube videos I've seen do say that you can punch your ceiling, so if you have a sunroof, make sure it's open. Obviously this is a convertible, so it's not going to make too much of a difference. So just, oh, there we go. That came off without too much drama. And then currently just trying to find out how the boot itself releases. I think the chrome trim holds it in place. In fact, it's not even that. See the bottom of that one? It's got just two little bits every so often, every quarter, which are also visible here. All you need to do is just, from the feel of it, pull. So one sec. So there we go, that is now loose. Old knob. From what I could tell, whether it's it is exact or not, but these little chrome clips here seem to lock the boot in place. I mean, I may have that wrong, but that's certainly how it felt to me. And then it is just literally going to be the opposite again. So obviously it goes that way. You've got the plug on the gear knob, it goes that way. So on this one, the sticker, well, the label even goes to the top, so it goes in that way. So just make sure it lines up. It just pushes in, click, and you'll have just heard. So again, just make sure you line it up. I'll just knock the light on. Just line that up there. It pushes in, it will click. So yeah, and then it is just literally a case of over on the top, push down. Yeah, the knob, that is secure, and then just push. Seems fine, so there it is. So yep, that's all working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Champion. Happy with that. So nice and easy. So yeah, if that's something that has helped you, then feel free to like. If you've got any comments, feel free just to leave them below. And I have done a few other mini videos, but yeah, if you want to have a look at them, mostly they are about my car, which is that one, the JCW. But yeah, if any questions or anything, feel free just to leave a comment below.